Disruption and compelling at its best. The innovative Rinspeed MetroSnap and its unique ecosystem illustrate how the mobility of tomorrow will seamlessly integrate into the urban environment. Battery and pod swapping in one go. No expensive setup or installation needed, and that in just a few seconds. It's called a hot swap. Traveling with a lot of luggage? No worries. There is also enough space to cater all your needs. The one-of-a-kind MetroSnap ecosystem is comprehensive, dynamic, smart and efficient. It saves you time and takes away all of your worries at a simple tap of your finger. Large personal screens and great sound enhance your journey. Watch your favorite movie, the news, or play computer games. The innovative, safe and easy swapping mechanism allows changing of the pods almost everywhere and at any time, a milestone for modular vehicles. Safety comes first, also while swapping. Camera and LiDAR sensors survey the surroundings and let the system only execute the process when all is clear and safe. The skateboard, propelled by an efficient powertrain and operated using the latest drive-by-wire technology, is in service all day and all night, 365 days a year. Tired of missing your courier's deliveries, standing in line at the post office, or even getting bounced off by closed doors? Why should you go to the service if the service can come conveniently to you? Simple, convenient, and without confining opening times. Easy access and efficient handling granted. Even your returns are welcome. To your neighborhood or to your office building. No more wasted time, useless drives and stress. Just a few short steps away. Passenger transport, supply chain and smart city become one. The future blends all services in one, seamlessly, efficiently and sustainably. In the mood for cooking yourself, but without having to drive to the next grocery store to get what you need? The grab-and-go convenience store is as close as the next street corner. You, the customer, your needs and your wants are the distinct focus. It is all about your experience, ease of use, and your convenience. Truly extraordinary and enjoyable. You are you and absolutely unique. Get what you want without even having to say it. Almost magic, but totally private, secure and tested. Lights wherever you look. They create your personal, cozy atmosphere and brighten your working area. Just leave the middle seat empty, your business class is ready, like above the clouds. Innovative interior surfaces to cope with the different requirements of a sharing model, yet still comfortable, modern and sustainable. Materials that come from nature are recycled and reused, circular economy at its best. The skateboard standing still is not cost efficient. It needs to run day and night and thereby makes your journey almost a steal. Maybe in some cases, it will even be for free. Intelligent sensors are the trusted eyes. Their information is processed centrally and all actions are taken fast and reliably, without ever being distracted. The vehicle's brain in bits and bytes. Make yourself at home, feel great, and get your freshly brewed coffee. Relish your journey on Cloud 9. Bring people to work and get them from work. Yet don't sit around idly in between those two daily peaks. Just change the pod and keep on moving. A spacious interior in a minimally sized cabin. The clever and flexible layout satisfies different expectations of space. Sharing does not mean uniformity. It needs to serve all tastes and occasions. Fast, secure, and tested communication technologies leave hackers no chance. Tight budget, no worries. There is still enough room for all 6 of you. The Rinspeed MetroSnap. Visionary today for a better tomorrow.